Good day, everyone. I'm Zoe Clarke, your friendly customer training specialist at RosterElf. Today, I'll show you how to set a staff member's maximum weekly hours in their Payroll tab. How to access the staff member's Payroll tab. Log in to RosterElf. This allows you to view and manage all staff information. Click on the Staff tab in the main menu. This is where you can find each employee's details. Locate the staff member you wish to update. This helps you open their specific payroll settings quickly. Select their name to open their profile. This allows you to proceed with adjusting weekly hours. How to set max weekly hours in Payroll. Open the Payroll tab in their profile. This is where you can update any payroll-related information. Find the max weekly hours field. This is where you enter the maximum hours allowed per week. Enter the desired hours and save your changes. This ensures the roster screen will flag any hours over the limit. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help. Happy rostering!